Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off ask permissions on App Store. First of all, you can open the general home settings in iPhone. After opening the settings, you can now tap on your name and here you can see this type of interface. You can just simply scroll down and now you can tap on family, and here you will just simply select the person that you want to turn off the ask to buy permission. I can select this. So after selecting the person, you can now tap on stop using family sharing, and now you can tap on stop using family sharing, and this is the way you can turn off ask permissions on App Store. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.